Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all well and doing well. I hope so. I'm fine as from the look of it. Yes, today I'm gonna be showing you how you can prepare your own oat milk. Oat milk. Like oat milk. Like your oat long life milk that you can use to drink your tea, your coffee, your cereal. Instead of you buying it from the shop or from the stores, packaged in a bottle, you can prepare it fresh at home by yourself. So today is more like a DIY. So if you're interested in knowing how to prepare your own, or you're interested in knowing how to prepare your oat milk that you can use instead of you can use that to save money. You can prepare it yourself. So keep watching the video and I'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you. So now basically the things I will need is not a lot. So I'll be needing my oat flakes, right? And a bottle of water. My oat flakes and a bottle of water. And then you can have your NutriBullet to blend it, which I'm gonna pour inside this. So the first thing is I'm gonna put my oat flakes inside my NutriBullet container. Then just put a little bit. Okay, so that's it. Now pour your water into it. So your water, depending on the quantity of the oat flakes you've got in the container. I think that should be fine for the quantity I want. So that's it. So now I'm gonna take the cover of my NutriBullet container. I'm gonna close it up. Then I'm gonna put it on top of it. I'm gonna put it on top of it like this. Make sure that you've got it all round circulated. Yeah, and I'm gonna. That's it. It's inside already. And so it's blended, but I want it to be well blended with the water. So I'm gonna put it back. It's more like you're blending for a couple of seconds, not up to 1 minute. So I believe this is well blended, so I take it out. And then yeah, now that I've blended it, you see it's all blended. So I'm gonna take a container with a sieve. I've got a sieve because what I'm trying to do with this sieve is I'm trying to separate the milk from the oat flakes, the tiny bit of oat flakes left. So I pour it inside. And then it sieves it. You can see that there are a bit of flakes still left, which I don't really need it. And that's my oat milk, which you can use to take your cereal. I'm gonna pour this into a glass cup so you can see how it looks. And so that's how my oat milk looks like. You can see how it looks. Not different from the one you buy from the store. Very good way to save money. And with this one, you're definitely sure 100% that this oat milk has not been mixed with anything. And this is the unsweetened form. It's really good for weight loss as well. And if you want to make healthy swaps for oat milk and also using cow milk. So instead of you using the cow milk, you can use this, and this is really nice. Easy peasy, easy to make. Pour a bit of oat flakes in your blender, pour water into it, blend it, and you sieve out. After blending it for like a minute or so, Then you sieve out the oat flakes and the milk. A little bit of the oat flakes will still be there because it's flakes. It can't be 100% blended. You sieve it out, and then the remaining thing you get is the milk, which you can use to take your cereal, your tea, and your coffee. What? Easy peasy. So, I hope you've learned how to make your own oat milk at home. So, you know what? If this is your first time watching my video or on my channel, please, my name is Oluwatoyin, and please do not forget to subscribe, press the notification button to get notified when I drop in new videos, like and share with friends, and I'll definitely give me lots of thumbs up. I don't want to forget that. Lots of thumbs up. Share my video. Until then, keep safe. This is your girl Oluwatoyin. Take care. Bye.